before I joined here out at the yard, I had some reflections. What would be the most important thing for me to do while I'm here? And I came to the conclusion that my most important task is to create a working environment where people can speak up freely, bring their ideas forward, have open talks, and have this atmosphere where everybody feels valued and therefore will contribute to the best of their ability. The team building, it's on top of my agenda.
Why I wanted to join this project is I want new challenges. I like that Maersk is devoted for reducing the carbon emissions all around the world.
When we were looking at these Equinox new buildings, we thought also to include more different people, and diversity should be higher. The goal is there to get also different ideas and different attitudes, and also a different and hopefully better atmosphere on board the vessel. And you can see it also, the site team, which is actually building the vessel here in Roesam. It's a very tough job. They are all very diverse people, but they still work together as a great team.